10 years ago, I chose not to accept the status quo, the uneven playing of education. Everyone has a right to access quality education, and at the age of 16, in my own small way, I wanted to make a difference. And I started a website, ZNotes, to share my own study notes. Today, ZNotes is the world's largest peer learning community that has reached over 5.5 million students in 190 countries. And it is thanks to thousands of young people who have joined this as a global movement. Our community-powered learning platform has proven to improve students' self-efficacy, their sense of global citizenship, and their willingness to contribute towards social development. And it leverages three of our greatest assets in our fight against educational inequality. Number one, the power of youth. Young people are not just passive beneficiaries, and we need to flip the script. Empower them to be agents of change, to be creators of education, to be proponents of education, and you can see the difference that happens. The power of community. Many of you will remember learning from each other after break, after school, in coffee shops. Peer learning is proven to be an incredible way of improving academic learning outcomes. And the third one, the power of technology. We have the opportunity to learn from the best teachers, from accessing cutting-edge research, and connect with others across the globe. Emerging technologies like AI are now having the opportunity to personalize learning, empower educators, and enable inclusive learning assessments. And so, it is more important than ever before in our fight against educational inequality that we think about the barrier of the digital divide. To our heads of states convening next week, an inclusive digital world is integral to an inclusive global society. Thank you.